All right, all right, all right. Market has ripped. All right, I'm waiting on my pro account to be ready to go. I get this tonight. Anybody there? I'm about to load up my camera right now. Hello. Okay, guys, we're back. All right. Going along here. Oh, wrong account, baby. What are you doing? Travis? You doing this dumb shit? Travis? What? Okay. Do not touch this one again. What the hell are you doing? I hope they don't make me wait another day because that account was supposed to be passed today. Have you ever taken a trade on TPT that was passed? They haven't updated it yet. I just locked myself out so I can't do that again. All right, let's go along here. Yes. Mm. Yeah. Send it. That's cool. What? I'll take my 800 bucks. gonna see how much we can get out of this thing. All right, we'll take that. Lock that in. Got some wins to start off. Hey, how's it going, guys? Anybody there? Hey, Art. Yeah, we're gonna have some big movement tonight, I think. I was gonna go long there too. Look at this pump up. You gotta respect the gap, right? Oh, we caught some quick scalps already up to the upside. I'm gonna try again. All right, we're in scalp mode, so gotta take my money. Hmm. Going for another rip. It's just gonna keep pumping up, so we're taking advantage of it while we can. Go. Break it out. Oh man, I didn't capture any of that. Had $1,000. Come on. What? Gotta take my $500. Giveaways. Brandy, you want to come on the stream with me? You can stream with me. I'll hook you up with giveaways. If you want to stream at nighttime, I'll hook you up with some evals. You can be a part of the TWT crew. Hey, Anon, how we doing? Yeah, we're doing good. I'm gonna get my pro account tonight, hopefully. I accidentally took a trade on it. Uh-oh. Hopefully your computer's okay. Are you on your phone right now? You like the idea? Are you camera shy? All right, gonna take the dip here. Boom. Make it look easy, right? We hold, baby. At 20 points right off the bat. We'll trail it there. Can't lose. Boom. Oh, shit, it's easy. What's good, everyone? Thanks for hitting the like button and hanging out. Hopefully, TPT gives me my funded account sooner than later. All right, we just want to keep going up here. Let's go big. Catch some quickies right here. Watch. I'm gonna run up and smack that. Come on. Right before the 600, we'll take our TP. Boom. Got a runner here. There we go. Now we're up 2,000. Trail that. See how high it wants to go. All right. All right. I'm thinking about doing the dip buy again. Yeah. That real quick. Go over a quicker one. Fake out. Go, go, go. Come on, baby. All right, now I need 400 bucks to get the last little bit. Hey, Marco's here. How we doing? Are you catching some after earnings trend here? Some nice, easy money here, huh? Now I'm just gonna try to get this last little bit for the profit goal in the day without going too big. I don't know why, I just can't help myself. I got a DCA sometimes. Should pull back. go. All right, we're gonna go down to 1 micro now. Yeah, 112 bucks. All right, thanks for hitting the like, guys. Dollar cost average, where you add to the loser to get a better averaging entry price. You ever do that? All right, I pretty much hit my goal already. Yeah, 112 bucks. We'll go for some small size scalps. All right, I need 100 bucks now. I did one dip by here. I'll DCA if it comes back down here. Dun, 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 dun. How's everyone doing with green? All right, we only need 80 bucks now, so I'm going with the trend. Gonna put these 2 micros. If it dips down to 29,567, I'll buy the dip there. I think we're just gonna keep going higher, probably to 29,700 and above. If it doesn't DCA, that's fine. We'll add to the winner if it wants to rip above 600. Yeah, honey. Yeah, I'm streaming.
Oh, hi, let me give you a quick kiss.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Anybody else going long? Easy money tonight. All right, let me go ahead and all right, I'm going for a third one. Let's go. Going for 100 Ks. Okay, gonna get some. I'm betting on the fact that I'm gonna get some payouts on this new uh, pro account that I got here. I'm gonna get tonight because I'm that confident. All right, we might do some giveaways if I have enough people in here. We get 50 people, 50 likes or more, I'll do a giveaway. Got some traders launch accounts, TPT accounts. I can't. I have 2 traders launch accounts. I can't trade until tomorrow because of the. I bought the New York session only. It's so obvious here. That one account that was near blowing up, well, it was down like to this 180 bucks. I made about 400 bucks after the stream earlier this afternoon. So this one I need to make 800 tomorrow. climb out of the hole here. We'll be good. I was trying to buy the dip on this new account here, but I totally missed it. Go ahead and lock this in right here. We'll switch to this account. Go for some quick scalps. Get the blast off. One big breakout above 600. We can do it. There we go. Boom. There, I just made 1500 there. Woo, let's go. Yeah. All right, we're making lots of progress tonight. Hey, good afternoon, Mr. Nightfire. Good morning, where you are in the Philippines. Let's go. Okay. I'll try again right here. I'll put a stop loss down here just in case. I coded it myself, me and Grok. It's on the C sharp, or I think it's C sharp. Use the Pine editor on TradingView. There we go. Come on, rip. Do some quick. Anybody else winning tonight? It's easy money tonight, guys. All right, come on. One more pump. Maybe we won't get this one. I had some money. I didn't take my TP. I was a little greedy. One more rip. There it is. Okay. Oh, you didn't hit the TP? You suck. That was so close. Did you see that, guys? So close. We're gonna add another. We're going for it. No guts, no glory. I might have to take this $300 loser here. It's not ripping. Well, it did. It didn't hit my TP though. I was really close to having another $1,000. Here we go. One more attempt. Can we do it? Only down 200 now. I think it's got enough juice to do it. Come on. Can we get another rip? Can we get another rip? Let's go. 50 likes, 50 people all doing. I should maybe bail out on this. It's starting to doji on me. Come on. Yeah, I didn't trade it. I was going to get my kids from school. I never trade that last hour of the day ever. We're taking advantage of the aftermath though here. Get one more pump. I might have to take this $500 loser though. All right, we're gonna get out of that one. I'm still green on that account, but I was really close to hitting my TP right here. Like 3 or 4 ticks. I would have had $2,000. I had to take the L. It's okay. All right, how we doing, Alfred? Mr. Knife Art, Bubble? 50 likes, 50 people in here. I'm doing giveaways. If we get 30 people in here, I'm cracking open a cold one. How many likes did I get? None. 12 likes. Thank you, 12 people. Hell yeah, let's go. Love to hear a good comeback story. Oh, now it wants to rip. Now it wants to rip. I see how you are. We're going for it. I believe in you. Another fake out. I have to give back all my gains. Here it is. Hey, congrats on going live. Let's see if we can get the rip up here. Send it. Yes. Boom. We got some runners. Put that down there just in case. How bad of a drinker were you? Congrats on sobriety. I prefer life at a little bit of a blur, but I hear you. I went like 9 years without having beer. Now I just drink one, maybe once a week. We got a nice runner here. Boom. All right, we're back to, well, I got 1,500 now. I think that's my equity high of the day. You can crack open at old duels, right? Or would that trigger too much of the desire to have a real one? I wonder when Take Profit Trader will give me my pro account. I passed, today was the, well, I already hit the 3 days. So here's what happened. I went to, yeah, okay, I guess when they update it, I went to go take a trade this evening on my new eval, and I made 88 bucks on the account that was already over the profit goal. I hope they don't make me wait another day because I took another trade. You see, I already got the 3 days. I just needed 1K, which I already made. They shouldn't make me wait another day, right? How bad did you have the alcoholism, if you don't mind asking? Were you an everyday drinker? Oh, okay. I hope so, because I want to make some money. I just bought 2 more evals, and I'm doing great on them. But I bought them banking on the fact that I'm going to get some payouts here. Hopefully, I will. I just like to use payout money to buy evals. I got 2 more traders launch accounts too, and this one I made 800. I had blew up the one from yesterday that was passed. I didn't quite get to the buffer, so I revenge bought these 2. I actually went for the smaller accounts with 5 micros is the most I can trade, and I can only trade the New York session, so that's what I'm doing here. And it's been working for the most part. This one's down 500 bucks, but it was down 800, so I'm kind of happy about me pulling it back to life. Hell yeah, let's go. Rapid. Nice, nice. Are they quick about giving you your flooded accounts? So you passed it tonight, you just have to wait till what, the market closed tomorrow? All right, well, I'm happy you are doing well with your newfound sobriety. If you see me drinking a cold one, are you gonna be okay? I just drink light beer, trying to watch the dad bod here. 20 get too much of a beer belly, even though I kind of got one. All right, where are we going, Mr. Market? I think it's just gonna keep going higher. All right, I will buy the dip again if it wants to come back down to the pullback area right here. Buy some micros. It might not even let me in, actually. Buy one here. Oh, that's nice. Instant activation, hell yeah. Chevy Storm, did you have any like tough withdrawals to get over? Was it like shakes and all that? Shivers? I've heard some bad stories. I've never experienced it personally. I only got in with 2 micros here. Oh, look at this breakout. Shit, let's go. Too bad it didn't let me get in with the others. My wife got in from down here, around 600. She's still holding on her top step. It spiked up. The whole family's winning. Next thing you know, I'll have my kids trading too. We'll be having a trader family stream here. Yeah, the feeling that trades together stays together. Yeah, I agree. Oh, snap. What a big backflip here. I'll still buy the dip here. We're gonna go ahead. I believe in higher prices still. So Damn, 20 years every day. I understand. So you almost forgot what it's like to be sober, huh? And now you're sober. It's like getting a whole new life. That's funny, Alfred. We don't do any hedging here. I don't really believe in the hedging thing. We just, me and my wife, we kind of brainstorm and kind of like the same ideas, but most of the time she'll take her own trades. I did give her a heads up. I was like, probably gonna keep going up. So she went ahead and bought right around here. I don't know if she took her profit. I think she said she had her profit goal at 640. Man, we're like 10 points away from that. All right, we'll buy right here, just before 600. Go see if we can get the pot back up. All right, we'll do lucky number 7. Let's see if this maybe we'll rip back up. The POC on the VOC or VP volume profile. Based on what time frame? Here's the POC from the Globex Open, which is right here at 609. All right, we're going back up, baby. Well, maybe not. We're kind of at a inflection point here. Hey, Susan, how we doing? Good to see you. We're waiting for our TPT Pro account to come in, and we're working on some evals here. My traders launch accounts. I get these tomorrow. to trade because they're New York session. How about you? What you working out with today? Doing leg day? Back to pro accounts. I got one pro account coming here. I hit the 9K target. I should get it here pretty soon. Hey, Nathan. 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 You doing leg day? All right. Anybody gonna have a cold one with me? I haven't had a beer in a little over a week, so we're gonna have a couple cold ones while I work on my evals. All right, I'm only down $2. You about to head to the gym? Oh, nice. I got some laps in the pool earlier today. That's what I've been doing every morning now. I just jump in the pool. All right, we're ripping back up. Number one nighttime YouTuber, streamer, trader here. Most underrated. Lost 150K pro. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that. I might be doing some giveaways. So if you're here when I do one, you could have a chance to win one of my TPT, or I'm doing traders launch giveaways too. I think it's gonna keep ripping. Babe, you still holding that trade? Did I blow some accounts last time? I think I started off really good, didn't I? Alrighty, I got special delivery. We're just having some ultra here. I won't go too big. Actually, my game plan is to get the funded accounts, get to funded quick, and then I was saying take it slow on the funded once I hit the buffer, but I think I might just go slower than that even. Slower to the buffer, just because I've been having so much heartache lately trying to blast past the trailing drawdown. Last week, $50 at the buffer. This week, the Trump random candle got me. All right, tipsy trader in the house. Anybody having a cold one? I've been getting my workouts in the morning time. Either swimming or hopping on the mountain bike. It actually has been helping with my trading. I think it's a trading hack, just to burn off some of that excess adrenaline, cortisol, stress hormones, because your blood sugar spike when you first wake up. And if you attack it with some exercise, you'll feel so much better, ready to tackle the day. Little trading hack. That's a good game plan too. I need to do that. I'm gonna get these traders launch accounts. I'm gonna build them up, and I'll get this TPT account tonight. I'm not gonna go putting on 10 minis or anything. I think I might keep it to just one mini till I get to at least the buffer. Like micros up to one mini. It doesn't work on PST, Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, that makes sense. What time is it where you're at? You can get a desk treadmill like me. Hop on the treadmill while you're watching the charts. That always helps. 4 a.m. Oh, 4 p.m. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I was thinking 4 a.m. For a second, I thought you were in Israel. Of course, you're from my old hometown. All right, market is starting to go sideways. You still live in the valley, the like North River Road area? All right, it's just gonna keep ripping, guys. Watch. I feel bad for all the perma bears. No, I don't. That's so funny. I moved away from there 20 years ago, and you've been there for 20 years. I've been in Houston for 20 years. WhatsApp. What's up? My translation says WhatsApp. Look at this. WhatsApp. Ah, okay. I know where you're at. I know where you're at. College Avenue, right? No, it's just I have translator on Google, so it says WhatsApp. It's trying to translate whatever you said. What's up? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Do they still have that toll bridge there? Oh, bulls are failing. Oh, snap. All right. Maybe we get out of this one down here. There's my stop, if anybody's wondering. There used to be a toll bridge there, right? They got rid of it? Oh, no iTrades. Sorry to hear that, my man. Oh, you know what I'm thinking of? Right there at North River Road and I can't remember the name of that road though. I'm looking it up. Yeah, I was thinking of College Boulevard. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like Trader's Launch. They're great. I'm working on 2 right now. I bought the New York session only that are cheaper, and I can't overtrade. Plus, I only have access to 5 micros, so can't over leverage either, really. Looks like I might hit my stop loss here. I got 200K. This one is 40% of the way. This one is 500 bucks in the hole. Hey, tech reviews, let's go. I think my wife didn't take her profit up here. She said her TP was at 640. It ripped up. It didn't hit her TP. That's okay. I was trailing it myself. I was holding all the way up here. Now I'm gonna hit hit my stop loss. It's all right. I'm still green on the day. Can't win all trades, right? Can't win them all. All right, we got stopped out. It's all right. I'm waiting on my pro account. I love that you can pass in 3 days. We got 45 minutes, and then the Tokyo Open will hopefully give us some life back in the market. We're coming back down to some volume profile down here. Trading below the POC. All right, if we get 50 people and 50 likes, I'll do a giveaway. You have 18. I'm gonna buy the dip here still. There's my stop. All right, anybody else blow up recently? Who needs a giveaway? Maybe I'll throw a giveaway your guys' way. We got 21 people in here. Oh, we need a little bit more. We need at least 40 or 50 people. Anybody having a cold one with me? My having a brewski by myself. Yeah, the 50% off. I know, I feel you. It ended yesterday. All right, we're gonna bounce here. And we're gonna trend up for the rest of the night. Who's coming with me? You blew up 3 fun today? Sorry to hear that, brother. How long have you been here? How long have you been a sub, D-Moon? I'm in a good mood today. How long do you know? Well, you can kind of guess. You've been here a month, 6 months, a year. Marco's been here for 3 years, 3 or 4. Put that dog back in his area. Back in his area. And close the gate. Been a minute. Can you guess how long? Yeah, I'm one of the OGs up in here. Man, I don't even know how long I've been here. Let me think. 2021? All right, we're actually getting a little bit of buyers coming here, back in here. iTrades has been here a long time, right? At least 2 years. I knew we were going back up. Let's go. Come on, baby. We're gonna have a trend all night kind of shit. Fucking all night. I want to get my pro account. I want to make fucking $5,000 payout right now. I would have put on 10 minis right there. 3K. Get me over the buffer in 1 minute. Honestly, all the other fucking streamers are boring. I go on and watch my own streams, even though there's only like fucking 20, 30, 40 people here. Don't care. Everybody else is boring. I don't even know who's second place. Who's fucking second place compared to me? I don't know. Yeah, tilt is something I have a problem with. We're getting over it though. Actually, when I get this pro account, I'm not doing YOLO trading on it. I'm tired of getting funded and then saying I was funded an hour ago. No, actually, 0 Day J, that's my homie right there. He's pretty cool, legit. He's not boring. Yeah, you're right. Tech reviews. He's one of the few. I just can't stand the streamers who sit there and like, I'm an authority figure here, and this indicator does this, and when the gamma blah 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 does this and that, and well, I do this and blah blah. I hide my losses here, and Stock Tigers #3. I haven't really watched too much of him. 4 years? Damn, that is a long time. Have you been coming on with a different channel name, or this is the name? Let me look you up here. D Moon is 011. Tech reviews got 27.5 hours. D Moon is not even registered. Not yet. Gotta get some points up in here. 12 vac. 25 hours. All right, pretty close to tech review. My trades. $240 hours. Jeez. Woo. All right, he is definitely in the lead tonight. M. Susan. I'm curious about M. Susan. $25. Pretty good. Oh, look, shit, we're up $250. I just keep winning. Who does it better than me? The most underrated trader on YouTube. I'm a little disappointed in your hours you got there, Susan. I thought you would have more. I thought you would have more, my man. All right, we're winning. We just keep on winning, guys. The PDT. Asia session is better. I'm gonna be here every freaking night now. I'm so sick of New York sessions shenanigans. Okay, we're gonna just keep holding this thing all night. I'm not closing it down. We're gonna hold it until 700. Maybe even more. Asia session is where it's at now. I'm done with the New York session trading. I might still stream and trade it, but it's gonna be with smaller size until they get their shit together. How do you get points? By being in here on the stream, commenting in the chat, liking the video, and then when you get enough points built up from that, you can gamble. I have the most points because I'm here the 100% of the time, and I can gamble even 10,000 if I want. Let's see if I win. I think I'm gonna win 10,000. Let's go. W. Give me the dubs. it not going to register my 10,000 gamble? Maybe 10,000 is too much to gamble. All right, let's do 1,000. The gamble games must not be on right now. Oh, come on. I thought we were going to keep pumping up. All right, let's rip it, baby. You gotta rip it before we kick it. All right, I thought actually you had been here for a minute, like you said. You said you've been here since the COVID days. Since I haven't been here since COVID. I've been here since just after COVID, when Biden took office in 2021. We had that Phantom Bull rally. Do you guys remember that in the summertime and then the fall? It was some nice all-time high rallies. I was here for that. I'm just gonna hold this thing all night. Like when I trade at nighttime, I trade small size and I just let it ride because you have a lot more continuation trading, especially lately. Lately, we've been having some pretty good moves. No more trading the New York shenanigans of chop. I'll be on here at night every night. If you guys come, I'll be here. And I'll do giveaways. We get to 50 people. I don't know how many people I got here now. 50 people, 50 likes. I'll hook you guys up with a giveaway. I might even do 2 or 3 if I'm in a good mood. But I'm out of beer. I need some beer. You guys want to come with me? All right, let's go. Time to go get a cold one. We'll let this trade play. It's gonna be the future man cave here. All right. Can you see this being a little BDH in here? Huh? I'll do some workout videos like Patrick. And I'll just be like, hey, we're beating it up here. All right, I do need to do some cleaning up in here. All right, I got a few beers. Hey. Yes, I'm having some cold ones. You gonna have one with me? Ooh, fancy.
My new favorite brand is called Recess 03.
Nice. I'm gonna sit out here and have a cold one. Are you still holding that trade? 1 micro? You're so brave. Nah, you're a good trader. I'm just messing with you. She passes evals and gets funded, but it takes her a month to do it with her 1 to 3 micros. Can't knock it, right? If you don't blow up, that's a win in itself. Just gonna have a couple of gulps out here and get some fresh air before I go back upstairs. All right, gonna do some stretching. Let's do some leg lifts. Hi. What are y'all cooking? What's cooking? Good looking. Tacos. That's nice. Anybody else going along with me? Hey, what's up, Hustle? Good to see you back. Vodka, cocaine, damn. You riding the train? Holy shit. I don't do any of that devil's powder stuff. I'm drinking light beer. How's the trading going, Hustle? Been a minute since we chatted. All right, we're riding this thing. I'm holding it till at least 700. I'm not closing it out until 700. Scared money don't make money. All right, thanks for hitting the like button, guys. I will do a giveaway if we get 50 people in here, and I get 50 likes. Looks like we're lacking a bit. Come on, YouTube, send some people my way. Help me out. 31 with 26 likes. Bad. Need some love, guys, with the algos. If y'all want me to do more giveaways and stream some more at night, I need some help. Go tell your mama. Go tell your friends. Go tell anybody that can comprehend. Send it in the letter. Tell them on the phone. Tell them that TWT is not the kind of guy who likes to be alone. All right, I'm gonna do a super chat here. Goal is $50. All right, if I get $50, I'll get some evals, buy some funded accounts, and then get payouts, and I'll bake cookies for y'all. Is that a deal? Come on, TPT, give me my pro account. I'm ready to YOLO this shit. I'm just joking about the goal. It's not really a goal. Maybe I will bake some cookies though anyways, because I know y'all be starving out there. Can't feed your family because you done lost all your evals, and you have to tell the sad story to your wife or your girlfriend. Hey, I was gonna get payout, honey, but I lost it. And that $1,000 I put on the credit card and racked up the bills here. I was gonna pay the rent too. Yeah, why do they do that now? Why does it take so long for the credit to come in? Why do they do that? Come on, we're in 2026. There has to be some reason why we have to wait. I've actually paid for the credit before, and then I'll have a credit accumulate in my account bank. All right, 18 more minutes until the Tokyo Open. I love my entry here. I want to see it break past the 650s and go to 700. We're going to ride this thing out way up here. Yeah, it's crazy. Like, why? What is up with the credit thing and making us wait? It's okay. I still love TPT. They're the best, but I don't want to have to wait to trade. I guess that would give me some time to go to the gentleman's club tonight. I can bring y'all with me. For every dollar you guys throw to the stream, I'll throw to Candy or Cherokee or whoever's on the stage. Give you all a little peep show. All right, I'm joking. Obviously, we got to keep it YouTube friendly, but yeah, you would think, right? iTrades, 2026, right? Where this game ain't new anymore. All the competitors are giving us our accounts when we pass right away. I think I'm going to make it a goal. I want to see how long I can keep my funded accounts. Not just try to go for home run trades and hope that I get can erase a week's worth of pain in 1 hour kind of thing. Might even make a running bet for you guys. How long can I keep a funded account? We'll treat it like a Price is Right. If you guess the right amount of days and hours without going over, and whoever's closest to the that time allotment, it might be everybody would win because everybody just puts like 30 minutes and then I blow up right away and everybody wins. I'm gonna try not to do that though. All right, this market's going back up. I'm telling you, when I have some beer, it's just easier to hold your winners and cut your losers, guys. I mean, come on, because you're on that. I just don't give a. Your record is 88 days. Wow. How many days have you guys kept funded accounts? 88 days. That's pretty good. I probably had that record before. It's been a couple years though. Back when I used to trade like 1 to 5 micros max. What kind of trading size are you trading? This is the kind of trading I want to do right here. Look at this. I'm up 300 bucks holding this trade, not even worrying about it. 6 micros. And I think it's just going to keep going up. If you're a micro trader, that makes sense. All right, I got to drain the main vein. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, from here on out, we're going to try to keep funded accounts here. I'm going to put on my ghetto broken headphones here. They look funny, but they work. Look at this. I'm the best to do it on YouTube. There's nobody even coming close to me. Who holds runners like me? All the other streamers right now are trying to short this thing. They're like, I'm a perma bear. I short everything. It goes up, I short. It goes down, I buy. Well, just kidding. Do you guys listen to music when you play, when you trade? I listen to music. I just don't want to force you guys to listen to the music I like. Put some elevator music on here. And this may sound crazy, but I listen to video game music most of the time. I think it's gonna trend all night, guys. Guarantee you. We're gonna wake up tomorrow and y'all are gonna be like, Travis was right. It just went up all night. Here's my TPs. I'm not closing it down until they get hit. Maybe I should move it just below the I think it will overshoot though, right there. Right before 700. What accounts are you trading, Susan? What props? Apex and Legend. Never heard of Legend. All right, thanks for helping out with the like button, guys. If we get 100 people or more, I'm kidding. 50. I'm keeping my numbers low here. If we get 50, I'll do a giveaway.
Have you got payouts with them before? Are they good? I'm too lazy to Google right now. If I end up Googling anything, I tell you I'll be on the nudie site. I'm gonna be typing something like double D's or .2 minutes to the Tokyo Open. You think it's gonna keep pumping? I'm down to hold for the pump here. Scared money don't make money, and I'm not scared. We're gonna ride it out. Here's my TPs up here. My stop loss is already you know, accepted. Anybody else going long with me? Come on. Come on, guys. Am I going long by myself or what? Let's go. All right, my wife's TP got hit. She had it at 640. You took 10. What is that? Took 10. Took 10 bucks. You scalped out at 10 ticks. $10. We don't take 10 points here, sir. All right, my wife is still holding. She's holding 1 micro on both accounts, so I'm not winning by myself. Let's go. I thought I was alone here. Come on, guys. This is the winning channel here. Y'all can go watch Perma Bears get rolled over somewhere else. But here, TWT stands for Trading with Trend. And we hold to the end. We don't take 10 ticks. We might take 10 points and trail it. I feel you. You try to trail it. I'm going to keep holding. All right, let's go. If I get 50 people and 50 likes, I'm going to do a giveaway. Donna won a giveaway earlier, and she got a 25K TPT. She's trading that. Rob got his 25K Lucid Flex about a week and a half ago. Got a payout with it. And who else won one? Tech Reviews. Doug's won one not that long ago. Donna, how's the 25K going? Have you taken any trades on it? Oh, Donna. Look at this. We're just riding up, baby. Come on, this stuff is so obvious. I feel you, Nathaniel. Here's the thing about trailing too tight. That's scared money, guys. Too tight, you're just telling, you're asking to get taken out. Okay, the market loves to not pay people who are scared. All right, scared money never, ever makes money. They might get lucky occasionally. All right, I'm not knocking anybody. I'm just calling it like it is here. Plus, I've had a couple cold ones in me. We're just having some fun. Don't take it too serious. You have to stop looking at the P&L. Yeah, don't look at that shit. Go out and touch some grass if you have to, like Nutty. Go and I don't know, go have a cold one. Jump on the treadmill. That's what I do. Or go swim in your pool. All right, I'm gonna take my profit here because it did. I was trying to hold to 700. I'm gonna take a little bit. We're not scared. We're being strategic here. I'll take a couple off. Boom. All right, we got 3 micros running here. Boom. We'll move that to break even, and we're gonna let the rest ride out. Okay, because that's what winners do. They let their winners run. Let's go. Good morning. Where are you at? In Italy? It's not morning here. It is 7 p.m. where I'm at. Tokyo Open, baby. All right, all right, all right. Hey, what's up, Sam? From Honolulu, right? Oh, wait, you're from the Big Island. It's 2 a.m. in Italy? Okay. What time is it in Hawaii? I'm gonna say it is. I'm not gonna look it up. It is 3 p.m. 2 p.m. 3 p.m. I used to live in Honolulu, so it's been a while since I've been there. Oh, we're getting low on beer. Who's gonna do a beer run? All right, we did take some profit pretty much up there at the top. It is kind of pulling back now. We'll take some profit here. Move that up there. Oh, I didn't mean to close it all out. Oopsies. It's all right. Nice winning trade. 1751. Let's go. It's 2? Okay. All right, all right, all right. We get to 50 people and 50 likes. We will do a giveaway. We had Donna win a 25K earlier. And she's trading that account. She hasn't set up the account yet. Wow, Donna, you have you're the most patient trader ever. As soon as I get an account, I'm already clicking buttons. I don't even wait for my setup. I'm just saying, you know what? I can see the market. I know where it's going. I'll just manage the risk after I get in. That's 1 minute after the account is ready to take a trade. I just rely on my 6 years of seeing the market charts every single day and its behavior. And my brain just thinks it knows where it's going, or at least it can manage it if it doesn't go the right way right away. Donna, you are a very good trader. I know Donna's waiting for that A plus setup. Man, I wish I was still holding NVIDIA from the first time I bought it back in 2016 off a Kramer tip. I was watching that show, what is it? Mad Money. And I went and bought like 100 shares of NVIDIA back when it was like 15 bucks. Man. And then I think I bought a little bit more later. I must have captured like, I don't know, 10 bucks, maybe a little bit more. I was like, wow, that was a great tip off. And NVIDIA's graphics cards made so much sense to buy. Man. And I back then holding some NVIDIA up until now, we'd be rich. It's okay. We're still rich anyways. Not in the monetary sense, but okay, we're doing okay. I'm not rich like big baller trader, but we're doing okay. We're living comfortable. The Green Day is awesome. Yeah, we're winning today. And I get this pro account tonight. I'm going to actually take it slow on this pro account, guys. I'm going to try to get it done with like 1 to 5 micros tops. I know it might take me a couple weeks, maybe, hopefully it won't take a month, but we're going to scalp our way with 20, 30, and 50 point runners with 2 to 5 micros to try to get that 4,500 bucks. And I'm just going to continue to build the army up with more funded accounts and then just keep them instead of trying to look for windfall YOLO days. Because I've been having too much boom and bust heartache lately. I still have been getting payouts, believe it or not. Even with my boom and bust trading that I've been doing, I still get payouts every month. At least every 2 or 3 weeks, I get at least 1, 2, 3K or more. I had $1,000 payout from TPT not that long ago. I had 2,500 from Lucid. That's within 2 weeks. And I know I haven't spent 4K on evals. I probably have spent about $600-700 though. I don't use the trade copier. That's not my thing. That's the reason why I always get payouts every month. I don't trade copy. You see, all this was done individually, and my traders launch individually. But guess what? I might blow accounts, but I get payouts every single month. I've been telling that to people for years. People don't believe I make money, but I'm like, guys, I may not get these huge 5-figure payout months every month, but I get payouts every month. Would you rather have consistent payouts every month and still blow some accounts here and there, but knowing that you're going to get at least 5, 10, 15K payouts? Or would you rather have painful months where you copy trade and blow everything, but if you get it right, you might have a 25K or 30K payout here and there, unless you're one of those 1% or 2% people, or you're dreaming to be one of those, and you can just consistently get those. I'm not one of them yet, so I don't copy trade.
Okay. I will have 5 accounts, 2 accounts, 3 accounts at a time, rotating. One account gets a payout. If I blow the other 4, I'm okay. I get at least 6K in payouts in 2 weeks from one account or 2 accounts or 3 accounts, but I blow 6 funded accounts. Hopefully I don't blow 6. I'm okay because even if you blow 6 evals, because that's the only risk that you're really taking on. If you blow 6 evals and you spend $800 and it's gone out the window, but you got 3K in payouts, are you really going to be worried about it? Are you going to be like, oh my gosh, I'm coping. I'm not a real trader. I just churn and burn evals and I get payouts here and there. But the end goal is to be an ultimately profitable trader over the long haul, not focus on payouts and focus on process only. No, that's why I don't do copy. I have these 2 accounts of Traders Launch. I'm not copying. One is down, one is green. It's okay. We'll get some payouts either way. All right, a little beer rant there. But yeah, I don't really copy. Maybe one day. Give me the payouts every month, guys. As long as I know I got one account somewhere, somehow, some way getting payouts. If I blow a few here and there, it's okay. People, this is one of the reasons why I'm not as big as I am. And people don't think, oh, Travis, I see him blow some evals. I went on his stream, I watched him. He can't be profitable. I saw him blow up that eval the other day. Yeah, sure, he got another account getting the payout, but that's not real trading. That's what people say. I saw him. He was just degening. He watched it blow up. He put on too much size. It's okay. It really is. Okay, necesito más cervezas, por favor. Mamacita, mamá, ¿qué estás haciendo? Necesito cervezas, por favor. Dámele, güey. Or dámele, por favor. ¿Me puede dar unas cervezas, por favor? ¿Y entiendes, Méndez? ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you guys doing? You wanna ¿Quieres cervezas? All right, we're having too much fun here. All right, we're gonna go downstairs and grab another one. I'm getting a little carried away here, but I'm having fun tonight. All right, if I get 50 people and 50 likes, I will do a giveaway. I've been saying that. I'm waiting on my pro account too, so I'm getting a little anxious. I'm waiting on my TPT Pro to come my way. We got it to the payout land. I locked it up just in case I accidentally take a trade on here, which I did earlier. I made 88 bucks. We're well above the 9K, 155 bucks above. You only need 3 days to get it done, and I got it done in 4. As you can see here, I'll show you guys. We got it done in 4. And boom. All right, wrong account. Yeah, where are we at? Oh, I think they took it away because it's a past account now. And nope, not yet. Where's my account? Okay, I guess I should be getting the email soon saying, congratulations, you have passed your account. So let's see if they take this account away when I refresh. Yep, they took it away. You know what? One day I will be good enough to copy trade. I actually put 3 evals on the copier this week and it did not go so well. I came within 500 bucks. The Trump candle came in, took me out. It didn't actually take me out in one go. I got a little tilted after I was needing only 500 bucks to get it done times 3. Otherwise, I'd be fully funded right now with TPT. So we're back in eval grinding mode. But here's the game plan. I'm gonna get them, and then I'm gonna take it slow, bro. Once I get funded, we pass fast, hit the brakes, take it slow on the funded, bro. You know what I mean? What's my eval to funded ratio? I don't even know. I went ahead and got that software prop flow tracker that Nutty uses, and I went ahead and downloaded, put all my info in. So you can see here, I will show you the numbers that it popped up here. This is pretty recent, okay? I spend a lot, but I also get paid a lot. Look at my TPT, boom, Topstep, boom, and there's no affiliate with Topstep. So people like, you're just making money with affiliate, and this is actually not with the affiliate. I do make money with affiliate, but look, here's my Topstep, 61,000, Apex, 43,000, Lucid, I had the Lucid curse for a while. Traders Launch, I haven't spent too much on them, and we're up 3K. Now Tradeday, I have never got a payout with Tradeday, not even one. I got the Tradeday curse. Tradeify, I got a curse. My funded futures, I was trading well with them like 3 years ago. I got videos from getting payouts with them, but the data didn't go back 3 years. I haven't had a payout with them since what, 2023, and I was on the live leaderboard, or I was on their leaderboard or whatever they had. I had one day where I was up. I had the account like 40,000. I had a 20K red day because I just kept DCAing until I was full porting, and I lost 20K one day. Prop flow tracker, it's what Nutty suggests, and I got it with his recommendation. It's what he uses to track all his prop firm stuff. All you do is connect it with Plaid and put your bank account and your credit cards, and then boom, it will find all the stuff for you. So look, I blow up. Yes, I blow up evals, but I also get paid because payouts roll in. They come in, guys, because I don't copy trade. That's why I'm not sweating one account at a time. You guys understand what I'm saying? I think people don't get it. They just think, you know what? The way to do it is just put them all in the copier. Put them all in the copier. That's the most magnified way to optimize, right? It is really, yeah, it is. If you get it right, you can have and I've had 50K months before, but it's called prop flow tracker, prop flow. Let me see right here. You can see Nutty has the link for it on all his videos, so he's an affiliate with him. And that's where I got the idea to use it, because he uses it. Prop flow. Nutty Bar, you guys know Nutty Bar, just go look on his channel. He's got the link there. That's what I use. Yeah, of course. They want everybody to copy trade. Why do you think all the biggest influencers are like, look what I did on the trade syncer and the copier here? It just makes sense, right? Oh, you can arbitrage and get payouts even, right? You blow one account, all right, that account, or it's red on the day. All right, the market keeps dipping a little bit more, it keeps going down, right? It's going down, it's going down. I'll jump on another account, I'll buy a little bit lower. Ooh, this one made money. Do that shit all the time. Anyways, as long as you don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have you ever heard that old saying with investing? Well, it works in trading too. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, guys. Don't be a copy trader unless I'm 100% satisfied and I back tested my strategy. I'm so disciplined. I can wait for that one setup 2 times a day at the most and take those trades only. And I'm so patient to wait just for that. And influencers and traders will make it sound so easy when they post that shit on X. It's just all you have to do. Just copy trade and trade small, like trades like Mr. Zink and Jacob and whoever else. You just wait for the data to show itself. Trade small, guys. Or just take those 2 trades a day. Be patient. Trade less. You'll get paid more. I promise you. Put it all in the copier. Get paid. People just eat that shit up. Anyways, I digress. All right. Everybody else can do whatever the hell they want. This is just how I do it. I don't copy everything. I might be good enough to copy one day, but I'm not quite there yet. And I've been doing this shit for 6 years. You know what I mean? Don't be in the dark about how much you spend and where it goes and whether you blow up. If you get payouts every month like me, you're not going to be sweating it every month. Okay, as you know, in the back of your mind, I just got 2K last week. I got 1K the week before. I got 3K. You know, if you have 2 or 3 accounts get to payout land, I got 6K. I got 10K. You may have spent 2 or 3K on evals, but if you're good enough to keep an account for a week or two and get to the payout land, you're good to go. All right, people don't appreciate this game that I'm spitting here. If you guys appreciate it, drop a like, say thanks. Travis, I appreciate you sharing your raw, unedited, real. I mean, what else do I got to do? I mean, I do this shit live. You guys see the boom bust, the win, lose, or draw. You guys see it all. The pain. I mean, yeah, of course, I hate losing accounts. But at the same time, I know I'm good enough to get some payouts somewhere, somehow. But at the same time, though, it's not completely sexy either because I'm really just taking advantage of the overall prop scheme, the game. I didn't create this game. They created this game. There's no shame in losing an account here or there. You're not a bad trader if you're making money in the prop game and you lose a few accounts here and there, but you're getting a couple payouts from accounts here and there as well. There's no shame in it. Okay, this game trading is hard. All right, we're supposed to be looking for low risk opportunities as traders. Prop firms offer opportunities for low risk if you can play the game right. It's just a numbers game. Play the game. Okay? Play the game with no shame, really. All right, I'm done ranting. Now, I mean, it would be all day long. I don't know how many times I did not make videos or posts on every time I got a payout. Man, it would just be exhausting. And honestly, it feels so cringy to be going, guys, I got another payout. Look at me. I got another one. I reeled it in. I caught this big fish and it came in and it hit the bank. We got paid. Come join my mentorship. I will tell you why you're not getting money in payouts and prop firms. And one of the reasons is probably because people are copy trading and they're probably copying without a strategy and probably going too big with the trading size. Those 3 things: over trading, over leveraging, and I would say comping probably kills people's ROI on prop trading the most. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're good, if you're a badass at trading, yeah, copy. Okay, but don't tell me that just trading a few micros and being low risk, that okay, comping and all I got to do is just trade low risk, because you'll tilt. You might go for 3 weeks having some $100 days, but I guarantee you, you will blow that shit up, and you will be so down on your knees, probably crying into your pillow. Oh my God, I was such a good trader. 3 weeks, I went down the shitter. And I had it all on the copy trader. My dreams. You feel personally? I know people hate me when I do these rants because it feels like it's hitting them right in their soul. I'm sorry if it's hitting you in the soul there, but believe me, I used to copy trade and I never got any profitable months that way. And I was kind of tilting, and I would have 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'll make my $100 day, and I locked myself out. I stopped trading by we had a green day and I was scared to give it back. So I stopped. And then that red day comes. Oh no, my profits are gone. All on the copier too. Can y'all relate? I've been doing this shit a long time, guys. All right, I think it's time for an imported beer. We've been drinking this light beer. Let's go get some kind of special lager. Now, if I was a great influencer and affiliate marketer, guess what I would want everybody to do? Go and copy everything and use my code. Just copy. You'll get to the promised land. I promise you. Use my code when you do it. Don't do that. Oh, shit. Rant over. Mic drop. All right, we're going to go outside and water the grass, the plants, and go get us a lager. I love prop firms. The ROI is amazing. Take advantage of prop firms. Just do it in a smart way. Know to your capabilities what you can afford, and then optimize on winning days. Don't be scared and lock it up all scared. Trader, I got my $80 today. All right, lock in your green days, but make sure it's a green day that can cover your red days, and then get paid. And I suggest, just for me, from my own personal experience, unless you're 100% disciplined and you know your strategy in and out, and you don't need to worry about tilting and all that, then copy. But if not, and you're like me, because I tilt from time to time, make sure you at least have one funded account that you can kind of baby, at least get some payouts there, maybe get a 2 or 3 there. I'm going to try to build up an army this time. I'm going to change it up a bit. I'm going back to my old roots on what worked before, with small size, let it trades ride, and get payouts, and keep my funded accounts. All right, I gotta go train the main vein and get another cold one, and we're gonna go outside, back to the garage as well. Y'all can come with me. Let's go. Every other stream is boring, literally. Just sit there and act like there's some authority figure, pretending like they know the market in and out. They want to hide their losses or say they're the number one. Boring. All right, I'm just talking some smack here because we've got a little bit of alcohol in me. All right. We'll get a lager here. Y'all had some tacos? Taquitos. Taquitos are for Tuesday taco day. I know. Why are you having tacos on Wednesday? It's for Tuesday. Look in the kitchen. It's a mess. Are y'all gonna? I see you guys like to cook, and your food is amazing, Mama. Mama down here. Is anybody gonna help with the cleaning? Yeah, but it's messy again. Yeah, that's a good idea. Go tell him I said to help out. Nathan? Nathan, you can put 20 minutes of helping out, right? Savannah, can you help too? I don't know. Just, you see some mess, help clean it up. I'm going to do some cleaning too. You know what? Can I let you decide? You don't take some liberty and figure out what you want to do. All right, I'll give you that power. Were you able to find the chat? It should be right there. All right, I'm 3 beers deep now. And I'm gonna go water the grass real quick. Okay. All right, I have been having some boom and bust heartache lately. So I haven't had a good payout in a good week and a half. We're going to end that payout drought though with either some traders launch payouts or some TPT payouts on this new funded account. I was really close to having 4 TPT earlier this week, and a damn Trump candle put me on tilt. It's $500 away. I'm still feeling the PTSD from that bullshit. That's one of the reasons why I should probably just stop trading the New York bullshit chop. It is such crap lately. I don't know why I put myself through that pain, unnecessary pain. Two days in a row I did that, Monday and Tuesday. Monday, it was a rip up, came out of nowhere, and I was in profit. Same thing happened on Tuesday around 10:30. I'm going to stop sulking over it because it's over. Blow-ups are going to happen, but still, I should be fully funded with Lucid and TPT this week if it wasn't for that bullshit. If I had the Pro Plus development, I bet I'll get on there soon. Watch, I'm gonna run up one of these Pro accounts here soon. They're gonna throw me right in the development program. You'll see it live. What I would do, honestly, is take 1 or 2 trades a day on that with maybe like 1 mini, maybe like 5 micros, and just try to get through the 60 days and then get a review while I work on other prop firms that are legit. That's what I would do because there's other legit props out there too. Don't get me wrong, I love my TPT, but on that development program, you kind of got your hands tied, so to speak. So I would take it a little bit slow and just compound some base hits. That's what I would do. You like that approach? While you work on some other accounts, not put too much focus on the development program. And honestly, that's the best way to be consistent anyways, is to not care about something and just trade it, compound it, less trades, put it on the back burner and only wait for good setups and then just shut it down, lock it up if you have to. So that's what I would do. I used to be one of the TPT badasses, and I've been kind of on the boom and bust train here lately. But we're gonna get back to it. Watch. Here's one of my strategies I was thinking about doing. Just get a couple of pro accounts and not even worry about getting to 5 because I've been kind of too much worried about getting to 5, and just ride one of them out and milk it until they say, you know what, we're moving you to Pro Plus. Maybe I get 10K plus K. They move me into Pro Plus, and then whatever accounts after that, they'll probably move me into the development program too. And yeah. All right, how many people we got in here? I can do a giveaway if we get 50 people and 50 likes. 24 people. Come on, guys. All right, I guess the nighttime crowd just doesn't love TWT. I get it. I don't have sexy girls or multiple 5-figure copy traded prop payouts. Not yet. Maybe I will. I haven't really traded much on YouTube at night either. So this is all kind of new territory for me. I do appreciate everybody that's here though. Hopefully you guys appreciate the unfiltered couple beers in me, Travis. Nice and relaxed here. I actually prefer to have a beer in the middle of the week. Does this sound crazy? Instead of just drinking on a Friday or a Saturday night, I want to have a beer in the middle of the week just to kind of like hit the brakes. You know, it kind of makes it feel like I'm on a little vacation in the middle of the week. Kind of, it feels like it splits the week up. Yeah, we're doing some dentist trading here. We're filling the gap back down. That's why I'm not in any trades. I prefer to be a long bias trader, and I tend to lose more. My stats show me when it starts to sell off like this because I have a tendency to want to buy, look for the bottom. I'm drinking some fucking Chinese beer. You guys ever had Chinese beer? Shit's good. You know how you say beer in Chinese? Give you a little Chinese lesson. PGO. Hopefully you guys caught that short. I got out at the top there on my longs. You know me, I'm looking to buy the dip again. Maybe if it gets below the POC there or the FEG down there. You see that blue line? That's my FEG line. You're still in it? Nice, nice. Hell yeah. Hey, Rory. My dog says hi, guys. Rory. $50 people, 50 likes. I'm doing giveaways. Only got 20 people up in here. Can I get a roll call of who all is here? Let me know down below, guys. Hello? Don't be shy. Say hi. Come on. Oh, I'm loving this Asia session trading. If I get more people in my streams, I'll come here every night trading. I'm always looking on my trading view so I can see right here. I don't need the big monitors in front of me to make money. I can jump on here on the my phone and take trades too. Come on in and don't be shy. TWT is live on stream. All right, for all those of you who have copy traded and blown up, I feel your pain. Maybe you lost some accounts today. Maybe you lost them all in the copier. Let me know down below. Maybe I can hook you up with the giveaway. I'm in a good mood today. Yeah, nobody wants a giveaway tonight either. Wow. Who all needs a giveaway? Type 1 down below. Todd's here. Every time I ask this question, I get some random people who never chat. Todd, why are you so quiet up until now? Come on, Todd. What's up? Tell me what's going on with your trading journey, sir. Have you been struggling? Do you think this prop game is real? Day trader, you won at who are these people? Where have you been? Josh Jagsar. Jaguar? All right, if we get it up to 40 people, I'll do a giveaway. I just want to see who's here. I want to make sure that they have a chance to win, though. Who all has got a payout this month? Raise your hand. I got a payout. Have you got a payout? Who all has got a payout this month? You're trading? Okay, okay. Thanks for commenting. Appreciate you, Todd. Thank you. No payouts in years? Gendama. All right, that means, are you serious? In Chinese? We'll do a little Chinese lesson here. We can speak multiple languages. I feel a little bit tired here because I've been up since like 6 this morning. You know, I had the weirdest dream that you know how when you go to bed and you first fall asleep, you don't really have much dreams, but when you wake up at like 6, 7 in the morning, you go back to sleep. For some reason, when you go back to sleep, those dreams are the most intense. I had this dream that Gordon Ramsay was teaching me how to cook. Can't remember what he was teaching me how to cook, but he started yelling at me. I did something wrong, and he made me upset. And I was pretty upset, so I left, and I was like telling my wife, I'm like, Gordon Ramsay just yelled at me, made me feel like shit, like I was the worst cook ever. Anyways, I don't know why I'm sharing that with y'all. I had these wild dreams. And then I had a dream I was hanging out with Rory McIlroy, and he was helping me on my fade with the driver because I have a tendency to hit a draw. And Rory was like, you know, I hit a draw all the time too, but I hear this is what helped me with hitting the fade. I'm like, damn, I have these dreams with these celebrities and famous people. Todd, how long have you been a subscriber and following me? My wife was like, "You have the most wild dreams." One time I had a dream about Bill Clinton for some reason. He was inviting me into the White House to go meet Monica. And he was like, "I'm gonna have you meet Monica." And I was just like, "What is going on?" And Bill hadn't even been in office in like decades, but anyways, a year or more. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for hanging out. So you saying maybe turn and burn is not the best way to go about it? Believe it or not, I try to get all my accounts to pay up, but sometimes I lose. And all I'm trying to say is it's not as painful if I lose, knowing that I got some payouts giving me some accounts getting me payouts somewhere, somehow. And the best way to get payouts this way is you have to be good at, can you guess what I'm about to say? And this is where people really mess up. People really are not good at this part of trading. Yeah, look at the sell-off. I'm not even messing with this shit. This is a good sell-off though. If I was a perma bear, I'd be all over that shit. But I'm not. And I'm not going to jump in right now. I do have a pro account coming to me, but they're not going to give me my credit until tomorrow. And I'm not going to FOMO buy the activation fee. Most people, can you guys guess what I'm going to say? Come on. This is straight. I'm giving y'all some straight veteran wisdom shit right here. Y'all want it or not? Man, I only got 22 people in here. Y'all don't hear me though, like Lil Flip said back in the day. Whee! All right, I'm getting dizzy here. Y'all don't hear me though. I'm gonna spit this game up in your ear. Are you ready to hear? The shit I'm about to give you can turn you from no payouts to getting some payouts. At least get some payouts. Come on. Get at least one account to pay out. Most people suck at holding winners. And there's a growing narrative around everywhere. Just have a negative RR. Take your winners. Just take those winners over and over. Small winners add up. Man, hell no. Get good at holding your winners. You're good at holding losers. I bet you are. All of you. If you never had a payout, do the opposite of what you're doing. All right. At least be good at holding. If I gave you 20 accounts right now and I said trade them all individually and focus on holding winners, could you at least get one out of those counts out of 20 to pay out land? You couldn't copy 20 though. If I gave you 20 and I said just fucking go for it, get one of those accounts to pay out, could you do at least one out of 20 if you held some winners? That's it right there. You got to be good at winning. Okay, if you're going to blow accounts, you got to be good at winning somehow, somewhere, on some accounts. Most people are a 6 ticks bitch. Not saying all of you guys that never got payoffs, so you're only taking the 6 ticks. But most people, they don't hold their winners for shit. They will take 5 points and say, woohoo! That's it. Be good at winning, at least. Grab your nuts on your left hand and hold the mouse and click the button with your right hand, but only when it's a good winner and it's getting to payouts. If I gave you 20 accounts right now, could you at least get one of them to the payout land? Could you, if I gave you 10, could you get 1 or 2? If you get 1 out of 10, you're profitable. You're getting some payouts. You get a 3K payout, but you blew up 9 at worst. Maybe you get 2 accounts to pay out. Woohoo, 6K payouts in a month. But you spent 2K in evals. All right, that's it. Get better at holding some winners, guys. That's all I'm suggesting. That's what helped me to get some payouts, because before, when I was taking small winners, I have a really good win percentage rate. I'm winning a lot, but then I have these big blow up days here and there. That's the thing, man. Get good at holding some winners, guys. That's not advice either. This is just what helped me along the road, and this is what I've noticed from people who have never gotten payouts, especially the ones who are open and honest about sharing me how their trading journey has been going. They don't hold winners. They don't get payouts, and they don't put on enough size at the right time either. I don't know. You like this version? Honestly, that's it, guys. Now, I myself, I fucking suck at losing. I'm a revenge trader. I get in too quickly when I lose. And sometimes when I'm winning, I get a little too excited and I want to win some more. And sometimes when I lose on one account, and this is where I mess up my ROI, is I'll take revenge on my red accounts and I'll go to my green accounts, like this green bottle of beer here that's empty. I probably shouldn't have any more for a while. And then I'll take my red trades and get revenge and go to my green accounts. But that's why you get good at the lockout button. When you have an account that's nice and green on the day, lock that shit up. And don't let anybody tell you that you have no discipline and you should be ashamed of relying on the lockout button. Because those people can go to hell. You can go to hell, and I'll go to the bank and get my payouts with my lockout button. Yeah, I'll put on 10 minis. I'll get that shit done so quick. We'll get payouts on that account. Do you know how many times I blasted past the buffer with 10 minis on a 100K account and got my 3K? 10 minis, 10 points on the NASDAQ is 2,000. If you catch a momentum trade and you got 10 minis on and 10 points, boom, 2,000 in one fucking trade with no drawdown. Boom, you catch 15 points. You got 3K. You're at the buffer. You're getting payout in less than a minute. That's how I like to do it. Especially if I've already got payout on that account. If you have an account that's ready for a payout, how many times have you guys had an account that's ready for a payout and you didn't stop trading for the day? You didn't lock it up. You just got greedy and you wanted to keep going. And you're like, I'm going to put 5 micros on. I'm just going to go for another 200 bucks. Oh no, and now I'm 400 away from the buffer again. I can't be 400 away from the buffer. I'm going to go again. Ready. What time is it? 8 o'clock? Been here 3 hours. The Bears are having a feast. Yeah, you got to play a different game when you get to the Pro Plus development. It's okay to turn and burn a little bit here and there when you're on the Pro, but when you get to that dev program, it's best to just say, you know what, like my man Alfred, I'm going to focus on my funded futures or Lucid, and I'll take less trades on that development program. because that's all you can do. Same thing with Lucid. They move you to the live. You had 5 accounts. Let's say you had 5 Pro or 5 Flex. You're getting payouts. They go, all right, we're moving you to live. It's 1 account, baby. Fuck. All right, I'm gonna have to go trade some Aqua Futures or whatever else, right? Be like Mr. Ocala, just bounce around and just tell you to hit all of the legitimate prop firms. You don't want to marry one prop firm, right? Right, Rory? Rory says, yeah, don't marry one. What do we do, Rory? He says, man, I fuck bitches, right? You got any advice for life, Rory? I say, don't just bang one girl, bang a bunch. You only live once. You hear him? Same thing with prop firms. Don't just bang one prop firm. Go bang a whole bunch of broads. Don't just have fun with one. You only live once. It's fucking around, guys. All right. If y'all are tired of my rants, I get it. Sometimes I get annoyed at myself too. We're drinking some Chinese beer tonight. 我想喝啤酒。你什么？喜欢？ Y'all want to have a beer with me? 请给你喝啤酒。Y'all, 你说普通话吗？ Speak any Mandarin? Huh? All right, I need another one. Otra vez. Oh, excuse me. Maybe it's time I should go eat some tacos. It's Taco Tuesday, right? Rory, you didn't like it's too hot outside for your black coat fur, huh? Sally, what are you doing sitting here in the dark?
Putting socks on.
Okay, and what else you doing?
Putting socks. That's all I'm doing.
Do you have dinner?
Yes.
Was it good? Did Nathan eat too? Sounds good. All right, I gotta drain the beans. All right, guys. I had a little epiphany I want to share with you when I was in the bathroom, draining the main vein. I had a little epiphany. The reason why I trade what I do and the way I've been doing it for so long, it's just because it's habit. It's ingrained. I don't even know if I could copy trade if I wanted to. Man, it would be so boring too. Could I actually do it? Could I put 20 pounds on there? And really just focus on this and taking that trade and eventually getting 20 pounds to the farm plan? I think I could do it. I don't know if I could do it. I haven't even really thought about it. I've done 2 or 3 here and there. And I kind of figured on if I was trading individually, maybe I should try. I'm trying to get a payout. I'm not ready to both. I'm just going to take less trades. We'll document that shit.
You guys will see. Where's the bottle opener? Man, I had the microphone down here the whole time. It wasn't even on my shirt anymore because I took it off to go pee. All right, maybe I'll have to do base hits like Trades by Matt. Whoever else preaches that shit. Just go for your base hits, guys. All right, base hits wins the World Series like Pete Rose. You know what I mean? Just go for your base hits, guys. I'll have to take like 2 or 3 trades a day at the max if I copy trade. The degenning pass or smash will have to come to a halt. I'll have to take it real serious, calculate my risk on the edge full. Be a scared trader. And then I'll have to probably do set and forget, because if I see what happens, so if I see the results, if I put 10 accounts on and I'm in the red, down $200 times 10 accounts, the trader that I am now is definitely not just going to leave the screen. All right, I'm going to go put my feet in the water here. I've been all day without socks on and my shoes. We're going to go cool off in here while I sip my beer. I haven't even really pondered the idea of actually doing it. Oh shit, lost my balance. Anyways, guys, maybe I will do it. If I ever get one of those multiple account payouts, I might not ever come back to this style of trading with churning and burning. Giveaway time. Do we have 50 people up in here? If we do, I'm going to hook y'all up. It'll be just for you. You guys will hit that big O giveaway. Yeah. Oh, shit. All right, maybe I do a giveaway. Yeah, you got to get payouts somewhere on some account somehow. If you're just going for the, honestly, that's why I fucking scoff so hard when I see base hits are the way, guys. Just copy like me. Hey, what's happening? What's going on, guys? Don't ever try to hold one of your winners and go for home runs. Base hits are the way, guys. Negative RR. Man, shut the hell up. Shut up. Base hits. All right, guys. I'm just fucking around here. We toasted. Maybe I will do some copy trading though. Maybe you know what? Honestly, that's how I had some of my biggest months, was copying some Apex, and I was a good micros trader back in the day. They called me the micros king. I was like micros king Henry VIII. Some accounts had their heads chopped off, right? Anne Boleyn style. Catherine of Aragon. Base hits are the cheat code. Man, honestly, people that do negative RR are scared traders. You can't hold your winners. You see that profit and you shake and shiver. You hit that exit button. You scared. Come on, just admit it. Fear has got you by the nutsack. Cheat code. Come on. Unless you're 100% disciplined. Now, I'm not knocking some base hits because you can get payouts with them. You have to be very disciplined, though.
when shit doesn't go your way. That's the problem with people that do that. They think it does feel like it's the way, right? You get in, you get your quick win, you call it a day. You do that 2, 3 days in a row. You do it 4 days in a row. By the end of the week, you're exhausted, and you do it on a Friday, and boom, you're giving it all back, and you're tilting right before the weekend. Next thing you know, you're doubling down right before the MOC on Friday, and you're tilted, and you just gave up all your week's worth of gains. Come on. Base hits are for people that can avoid that shit. You have to be extra disciplined to not let that shit happen. It's hard to do. It's easy to take those small wins. It's not easy when those wins don't come and that red day turns into a spiraling red day and you're giving back all your gains for a week or 2 weeks worth of work in one day. That's the problem. Or you're right there at the payout and you choke. You choke like James Harden, getting ready to go into the finals. You're in the playoffs, right? You're the MVP of the regular season, and you're trying to do step back threes in the playoffs, and they're missing. They're bricking. You're missing, and they're bricking. Come on, you know what I'm talking about. Now that's the thing. If you're gonna trade like my style, which is not easy either, because you know when you're blowing up. Here's the thing: when you're winning on some account, some way, somehow, you got to be good at winning. You got to be holding some winners. Maybe you even got to be adding to the winners, scaling out, holding them. Maybe even going a little bit big on an A+ setup. And you got to take that account to the promised land because you just blew up 3 evals just yesterday. You've had this account for 3 days and it's green and you need it to get to payout land, and you do, then you can relax a little bit because you need to get a second payout. And then you can build the army up. But at least I know I can get some payouts. You know what I'm saying? For people that are doing base hits and never get payouts, and they've never learned to hold a winning trade past 10 points, and they have their TPs right there at like 40 ticks or some shit. What are you doing? Never use TP. I fucking trail that shit. I don't know how much the market's gonna give me. I let that shit just go. If it breaks out in my favor and I get 50 points just like that, I'm not letting that shit come back against me because that's what I do. I trail that. I'll run that stop loss up, right up under its ass crack, right under the price. Wherever it runs up, that shit's going right behind it. Okay? And I'm not just going to smash the exit all the time right away. Sometimes I will because, and especially in this New York market, when the chomp is just fucking insane lately, okay, it'll go up 20 points and then it'll flash crash 30 points and then it'll go up another 40. You got to be as quick and hit that shit like like I was trying to think of one of those quick draw gunslingers, like Jesse the Kid, right? You got to be quick, smashing that exit button, not worrying about whether your TP got hit. Oh man, that's the worst when you go into the weekend and you just fucking gave back all your week's worth of gains, especially when you're copy trading. Man, you know you're putting on an extra couple pounds, eating some Ben & Jerry's ice cream. You're running through the Taco Bell late at night, running for the border, eating shit food, right? Only if you knew that if you just didn't have to tilt on Friday, you wouldn't be eating that comfort food. Like Loose on Nick Cannon. Did you guys remember that shit? Wilding Out? Man, that was a good show back in the day. Have you guys ever started off the week? You're patient on a Monday. You're a little bit more aggressive and lenient on a Tuesday. Wednesday rolls around. You're doing okay. You had a good day. And then Thursday, something happens on Thursday, right? And then Friday's 10 times worse than Thursday. You think, all right, I'm going to trade a little bit Thursday night and get it back. I had a bad, I'm going to have some red days. It's variance, right? You're going to have a red day. That's the worst, right? When you start off your week and you're patient and disciplined, you stick to your rules, you waited for the setups. Maybe you messed up and open, right? You gave a little bit of money back, but for the most part, you did good. And then something just happens to you, like on Wednesday or Thursday. And then from there till Friday, Friday in the afternoon, you've taken 1,000 trades or whatever. Maybe you were just above the buffer, ready for a payout. All right, I'm actually thinking about buying a dip here. Let's do it. We're gonna take a trade on the phonesies. Okay. All right. Gonna log in. You see here? Oh, yep. We're logging in. Boop. All right, I'm gonna go long, guys. All right, I'm gonna put on 4 micros. We're gonna let it ride, baby. I think we're gonna start to bounce here. I only need 50 bucks on this account. Of course, whenever you need 50 bucks to reach an objective, the market is always going to test you with the drawdown of the exact amount that you need to reach your objective. Trust, it's always going to happen that way. That's why I just DCA with some micros here. All right, I'm not adding anymore because it could just keep dropping. But I want to see my 3K. Hey, if we get 50 people in here and 50 likes, I'm going to hook you guys up with some giveaways. I got giveaways for you guys. I'm like the forgotten streamer here. If you want to win giveaways, it's going to happen. I'm grinding it out until I get back to my numbers, and then I will go back to doing giveaways every freaking day. And back then, we had people winning sometimes multiple times in a week. Alfred's won. You can go ask him next time he comes back in here how many giveaways he's won. It's at least 5. Mr. Knifeart, at least 5. Investor Z, at least 3 or 4. And I've given away more than $10,000 of my own cash money to you guys too, as well as giveaways. So we get back to 50, 100 plus people back in the day like I was doing, giveaways every day. And you'll have a better chance of winning here with me on TWT versus some other prop firm stream TV or BDH or Preparation H or whatever else with 1,000 plus people trying to win a giveaway with that shit is you have a better luck of winning the pick 3 lotto. Literally, if you're going to try to win a giveaway on those fucking streams, just go play the pick 3. Put a buck in.
pick whatever 3 numbers that come up in your mind. You'll have a better chance of winning that shit and getting 5 giveaways. You win $250 on a pick 3, you can buy 2 or 3 evals. All right, let me check my trade here. Let me check my trade. We're trading on Safari. Oh shit, I'm down $250. I'm down 250. What do I do, chat? This is another thing I can't stand. Is going into a stream where the guy who's streaming says chat every other word. You guys like that shit? Chat. What do you guys think, chat? How about this, chat? Oh shit, we're winning, chat. Did y'all catch that winning trade with me, chat? Chat, come on, chat, hit the W. Type in W if you won, chat. I keep thinking, like, man, is he talking to someone in the chat named Chat? Is that like a name, Chat? Chat? What? Anyways, I know I'm sounding like a Gen Xer in here. I'm old school. I don't be using this Gen Z terminology. Chat and we're proper maxing and chat and okay, chat. What are we doing here, chat? Where's my trade? Am I down $250 still? I guess I gotta go look on my Safari here. I'm still down 150. Okay, that's not so bad. I got 10 micros. Why does the market have to test me when I only need $50 to hit my 3K target? It's got to make me see 300 red first. I have a feeling it's going to go back up. I'll put one more on right here. Let's do it. There, we got a full mini on. Can we get it done, chat? Can we get it done? If we do, I'll do a giveaway, chat. Please, let's threaten the market with a giveaway. Come on, y'all, chat. Hit the like button, chat. I said 50 likes and 50 people. Man, if you have to go to another YouTube channel that you have on your channel just to help me out, if 10 people do that and they go to 2 of their channels, you have separate channels, that's 20 extra people right there. I know it's cheating, but I don't care. I got to see my numbers, folks. I got to have some kind of standard in here. Otherwise, you'll come up in here and be like, Travis, you have 12 viewers. You said it was giveaway time. There's 12 of us here. That's a dozen. And I'm like, man, yeah, it is a dozen, right? Cheaper by the dozen. That was a good movie. It is kind of a lot. You can buy 12 hot dogs and get it. 50 likes and 50 people. We only have 33. Okay. I got giveaways for you, though, for real. Donna, she won a 25K account earlier this week. Donna, are you still here? Oh, Donna. Oh, Donna. Do you still have your 25K eval that you won from the giveaway? All right, I don't know what I'm singing here, but every time I see her name, I think of that old school song, Oh Donna. All right, as soon as I said I needed more people, I had 33 up in here. Now I only have 50. If there's no social proof, people will leave out of spite. They'll be like, man, he's getting closer to 50. I'm out of here. Only 33 people? I'm out. All right, I gotta go check my trade here. Oh snap! It hit my profit. I have to lose 52 bucks now, guys. What should I do? What do you do in this case? Okay, the 50% rule is 3K on my account. I made $52 more. Should I go lose the 52 bucks? Or should I just try to make it on a flip day? Just have the extra 52 bucks as cushion. What's better? Yeah, just like how they can't hold winners, man. I'm telling you. Come on, everybody raise their hand. We can all admit it. I am a recovering negative RR trader. Okay, man, honestly, stop following these people with their negative RR. You know they're fucking stupid when negative RR is the name of the risk to reward ratio. There is no such thing as a profitable trading strategy. That's called negative anything. Okay, if it's profitable, it's not negative. It's inverted. It's an inverted risk to reward ratio, but when the win rate is higher and what you're risking is not negative, it's just inverted. Okay, there's nothing negative about anything that is profitable. Okay, and stop listening to people who go around talking shit about other traders who have profitable strategies. Oh, my profitable strategy is better than your profitable strategy. It's all fucking profitable. Shut the hell up. Okay? Who cares? It's profitable. No need to talk shit. All right? Shut the hell up. All right, I'm on one. If you can't tell, I'm just so sick of the stupid shit I see in this community. Negative RR, profitable. Take your winners. Be scared. Stop listening to people who hold those home run trades. Those people that are getting payouts and have a more optimized, profitable trading strategy. Some of them maybe even making millions. They're risking one to get 4 or 5. Sometimes they get 8. Don't ever listen to that shit. Take your small winner. You're up 20 bucks. Take that shit over and over again. Spend all day trading. All right. I know some people. I probably ran a lot of people out of here because they're like, "Oh shit, he's going against what I believe. He's talking shit about me. He's saying exactly what I do. I feel like he's talking shit directly to me, bro. I don't know you, okay? But if you're not getting payouts, I guarantee you're taking your profits way too early, okay? Travis, I heard somewhere on the internet the new strategy is cut your winners early and hold on to your losers. It's called a negative profitable trading strategy. It's negative, but there's payout proof. Oh my god. Negative RR gang up in here. Let's go. Oh my god. Cut your winners early, guys. Don't want to hold that shit. Let's all group together in fear. We'll call it negative RR. We be killing the prop game. You just be killing your ROI. That's all you do. Travis, I'm really good with my 5 ticks profit. I put the TP right there and I watch it get hit over and over. Trust me. I hold that 500 tick loser though. All right. I ain't got shit else to do. I guess we'll shut it down. I didn't hit my 50 likes and 50 people up in here, but we came close. I must have hurt some people's feelings with their negative RR strategy or whatever rant I was on tonight with some ranting, because you can call me hard-headed, you can say whatever, but at the end of the month, I know I make more money than I spend on evals. And I might blow an account here or there, but I know I got some payouts coming from some account somewhere, like Fivefold. Somewhere out there, one of my accounts is getting to pay out. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. All right, I already got to pee again. I'm thinking about skinny dipping in the pool here. That's what I like to do when I'm tipsy. And then we're gonna go up and smash, smash. You know, I mean, all right. Hit the like on the way out. You know what? Maybe I'll do a giveaway for those of you who have been hanging around long enough for a chance. Who all has been hoping for a giveaway tonight? And you've been putting up with my long-winded rants. Just hoping for a chance that Travis will have a change of heart and say, you know what, we haven't hit our YouTube numbers, but I'm going to go ahead and throw a giveaway your way. Who? But you can bet, though, I will be doing giveaways every freaking day if we get back to 100. I'll get back to it. And if I don't, at least I'll have my buzz, right? I got my cold beer, and I got my payout still coming. And I got my best friend here, Rory. Right, Rory? What'd you say, Rory? That's Rory McIlroy there. We got Tiger Woods up in here too. My other dog.
Vanna, you ready?
Y'all going to the gym?
Yeah, we're going to the gym.
All right. You gonna work out the glutes? Do some lunges? Get that natural BBL? We like it all natural, guys, right? Fuck that plastic shit. They want to dress like, want to sound like, want to be like, ride like, get high like, make payouts like motherfucking TWT. Motherfucker want to ride like me, like TWT, get some payouts like me. Who wants a fucking payout like me? All right, I've been drinking here. I don't know what the hell I'm saying here. I'll give you 10 points, though, if you know what rap song I was referencing. Motherfucker Gen Z. Ride with me, TWT. Gen X the best, we the sexiest. Who wants a 25K giveaway? Motherfuckers. Getting payouts like me. TWT, do you want a TPT? I'll give a giveaway for free if you hit the like, motherfucker. All right, guys. I'll do a giveaway because I'm in a pretty fucking toasted mood here. Okay, who's ready? Let's go. The last giveaway winner was Donna. You can see right here. Oh, Donna. She won the last giveaway. Who will be the next winner of the TWT giveaway? All right, all right, all right, all right. Go ahead, guys. New giveaway. Good luck, everybody. I'll be right back. Go ahead and enter. Someone's going to win tonight.
Oh snap, my camera went out. Something happened here. Okay, let's see if I can fix it. Can you hear me? I had to change my mic here. The camera's out, but it's okay. We're still gonna do the giveaway.
If it's having an effect.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me at least? Is my audio still working? My camera went out, but can you hear me? Type 3 if you can hear me. Let me know. Camera went out. All right, thank you for letting me know. All right. Camera battery died. So we're going audio for the rest of the stream here. Until my camera charges up. We are looking like it actually wants to go back up. A nice little double bottom. We're curling back above the EMAs here and back above the 5 o'clock rip. You guys buying the dip here? Hey, April's in the house. How we doing? Deftones, let's go. I was going to put on my Deftone shirt today. I've been wearing all kinds of band shirts. I got a Deftone shirt. April, how we doing, my friend? You guys buy the dip? All right, what is going on with my camera here? I thought I charged it enough earlier. Shit went out. Come on. All right, I think I got it fixed here. Hopefully. All right,
We're back. We are back in business, baby. All right. Got to turn down some lights. My eyes are getting tired. All right. You guys get your, we don't have that many people, so I don't need to have the giveaway going for too long. How many people we got? Let's do 17 people. Okay. Shout outs to iTrades, Todd, Twister, Golden Paquito, Carlos Jr., M. Susan, Yo Jim, Just Crypto, OM Wix, Eric, Todd the Day Trader, U1, Josh, Jagsar, that? I thought it said Jaguar. Jagsar. Blue Bubbles. Mike J1. Radio Nowhere. Stock Wisdom. April, did you enter? No? Deftones. Around the Fur. Did you enter? My old buddy April. Is that you, right? I think it is. Hey, Cycling Grandpa's here. Old school. OG Cycling Grandpa. Well-being. Maybe April doesn't have enough raffle tickets. I'm gonna hook her up because she's an old friend. Let's go ahead and April's kind of new here, but not new to me. April to death. Yeah, you're still new. All right, April, let's get you some points so you can enter this giveaway, homie. You might be too new to get some points from me though, because it usually takes like a day or so to enter in the system. But who's April Frogger? I don't know. Anyways, April, you might not be able to enter in this one. April to death. Did I spell it right? I think I did. How do you enter? Well, you have to be a subscriber and you get raffle points, tickets, whatever by being a subscriber, hitting the like button, commenting in the chat, engaging, hyping, anything that helps out the channel, you earn points. And then you can actually gamble to get more points. Like I'll do right here. You just type in gamble. I'm going to gamble 500. Hey, let's go, April. Welcome back. Well, this is the first one you came, so hopefully you come back, yeah. I obviously have the most points because I'm here 100% of the time, and I have 110,945 points. I lost 500. That's okay. You can check your points by typing in exclamation points just to see with the bot. It'll tell you. You can also lose points that way, right? Yeah. I've had a lot of people over the years saying, you know, Travis hooked me up with some more points. I gambled them. They're all gone. There's actually a 5-minute cooling period between each gamble. So if you lose, you can't just like revenge gamble like you can in trading. I got it set up that way where you can't just go back and revenge gamble right away and get your points back. You only have 1 point. That's funny. 0 points. Okay, hopefully you stay subscribed long enough. Believe it or not, my stream is kind of dead, but lately I have noticed I have an influx of people who subscribe and then unsubscribe. I think they're here just for the giveaways, right? And they're bitter because they don't win the giveaways or whatever. And then like, you know what? I'm just gonna show Travis. I'm gonna unsubscribe. He's not getting my sub. And then they will unsubscribe, right? And then, okay, well, you start your points all over. You don't have any now. 0 hero. Hopefully you come back and you'll be registered in the system. It does take it like a day or two before it knows who you are. I'm glad you're here. So anybody else who's new, hang out, come back, stay sub, don't sub and unsub. Just got a Pro Plus account today. Nice, nice, hell yeah. Hey, really? You just saw one of my old videos and you came here live? Welcome back, Israel. Let's go and congrats on getting your Pro Plus. I hope to get back to Pro Plus, man. I've been on a boom and bust tilting trading the last like 3 weeks. So I have 1 pro account coming to me tonight. Hopefully TPT will give it to me. I had 2 earlier this week and I was up 2,500 and then blew them up on a random Trump candle. I've had like 3, well, actually 3.5 beers in me now. Anyways, Trump candle, random news catalyst took me out. Well, it actually didn't take me out in the 1 candle. the one random candle that popped up because I was up 2,500, but it did put me on tilt. And the rest of the day, I battled back and kept going back from down 1,000, back to break even, back down to 2,000, back to break even. It was exhausting, and that was just 2 days ago. So I bought a revenge eval, and well, today I passed it, and I have to wait for my credit that comes in the morning. You know how TPT is. You got to wait till the next morning for whatever reason now. Hey, Tipsy Travis is here. Yeah, that's me. I'm here, and have you been lighting up tonight, Investor Z, my homie? Are we sparking up? They made that shit illegal here in Texas. Fucking Delta 8 and Delta 9. That shit's like, it went from you can buy it anywhere, so I don't have easy access to just go and grab a pre-rolled anymore. So we be getting a drink around here. Nothing better than a revenge eval, right? I can't agree anymore. Honestly, I feel it's really good to always have a backup eval working in the wings, right? Like you're working on it, it's ready to be passed. Hopefully, if you blow up an account, you have something that's pretty close to passing. That's what I try to do. I'm actually going to take the slow road this time. When I get this funded account, and I've been saying this, and this time I actually mean it. Earlier, I said the same thing, and I blew up my 2 on the Trump candle and got tilted. But I'm not going to let some random event take me out this time. We're going to trade small for the long haul. That's one of my old sayings. We're going back to, honestly, my wife is kind of inspiring me to go back to taking a little bit the slower road because she doesn't blow up. And she always asks me, what did you risk? How much did you put on? Did you have a daily loss limit? And she'll have like one account and she'll hold on to it for like a whole month, 2 months. And I'm like, damn, I blew up so many accounts this week. Yeah, honey, I got a payout though. Did you get a payout? I'll tell her. She's like, no, but we're getting close. I'm like, she's like, did you blow up any of this week? And I'm like, yeah, you know. Anyways, so I'm kind of inspired by her, so I'm gonna try my best to take the slow route and not blow up when I get it on day 1 or day 2 like I've been doing. She keeps her accounts for like a whole month, making it seem like it's just nothing. Yeah, I'm getting closer to that payout buffer every day, or she might have a red day, and she'll actually lock herself out on a red day, like a small red day. Who does that? My wife does that shit. She'll have a $200 red day and say, you know what? I was down 300. I got it to minus 200. I'm locking myself out. I'm like, oh, wow, I can't even fathom. I gotta fight my way back to break even. Anyways, I digress. All right, let's see who the winner is here. Oh, look, April, you're in the system now. You got 1 point earned. Let's go. April's in the system now. 0.08 hours. I'm going to hook you up, homie, because I've known you for, I don't know, what, since 2022, back in our post-COVID days, Moderna, Tesla, NVIDIA. I was trading the TQs and the SQs and Profit and Topstep back in the day, and you were doing the options. I still haven't learned options, so I need to learn options. Maybe you could help me out with that. I just been doing my DGen, turn and burn, eval, funded accounts here. All right, so add points to all viewers. You know, I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna give everybody 100 points here. All right, since you're hanging out with me tonight, you get 100. Hopefully you get them tonight. Sometimes the system is delayed and you got to wait a little bit. Yeah, NVIDIA, right. I think I remember the very first stock you were, or options you were trading. I think it was Peloton, April. Blast from the past. Do you remember that? Peloton? You probably remember, right? Maybe you don't. I don't know. We were talking about Netflix shows. Yeah, Peloton, that's what you called it, right? And PayPal. And that guy Smat, who I was always giving shit to in the Benzinga chat, who was what was that stock he was always trading? And he was always trying to convince everybody to buy GNUS. That's right, GNUS. And he would just spend hours all day telling everybody how GNUS was going to be the next. I wonder where GNUS is at today, actually. Yeah, you remember Smat? I remember just to tease him one day. I went in, and I don't even do options. I went and did some puts, and I made money. I'm like, look, Smat, I was making money shorting your famous GNUS. He didn't talk to me for like a whole week. uh, yeah, Bebop. So funny, right? He was a good guy though. I liked him. I just had to tease him though about his GNUS. Um, and I didn't know anything about options, so I thought I would take my hand, and I thought it was a safe bet to go ahead and fade the GNUS because why not? Yeah, he was real sensitive about that. All right, let's go ahead and roll the giveaway here. Let's see who wins tonight. We got only 20 people up in here. That's fine. 20 loyal OGs up in here. You could be anywhere in the world tonight, but you're here hanging out with me, and you have a chance to win a TWT giveaway. All right, let's go. Closing entries. Good luck, everybody. All right, I'm going to take a sip of my brewski. We're going to take a little break and take a breather, and we'll do the drum roll here in a little bit. GNUS is down. 2022, it was 11.30. Ah, interesting. I hope he got out. I hope he took his profit and ran, but I have a funny feeling that he did not. I think he bought high. I don't think it was that high, but I don't think he probably got out. He was a die-hard, hold his GNUS forever kind of guy. Why are you not in the list? I don't know. I don't know, sir. All right, let's pick the winner here. Drum roll. Let's see who will win this giveaway tonight. Drum roll. Good luck, all 20 of you. Mr. Twister is the winner. Honestly, Twister has been trying for a little while, so give it up, chat. Spread the good vibes. Twister, you're the winner tonight. You got 8 tickets. Well, you can earn some tickets, my man. You can earn them by commenting, coming back to the stream, liking the video, staying subscribed, all that good stuff. You should get some more points because I did give everybody 100. Twister, you're the winner. First time. Let's go. He broke his cherry tonight. No longer a giveaway virgin. Let's go. Woohoo. Excuse me. Congrats, Twister. Are you in the Discord, my man? It's just easy to give you your giveaway if you are. All right, Twister. Message me or say something in the lounge. I'll hook you up with your giveaway. And market's going back up. I'm not going to trade on my pro account tonight. If you want to come back tomorrow on the stream and see me trade first day on my new pro account and hang out with me, maybe I'll do another giveaway tomorrow. Hopefully we get some better price action in the New York session. This has actually been pretty good at night. And I'm all nice and green here too on these evals. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore tonight because I'm feeling a little bit tipsy. The tipsy trader here. All right, I'm gonna go hook up Mr. Twister in the Discord. Let me go over to the Discord and see if I see him there. If you're not in the Discord, I'll drop the link right now. It's not quite a dead community, but it's kind of quiet. But if you want to come hang out, I'm there sometimes. I might share some trades, or if I like some trade ideas at night especially, I will be there.
I might start hanging out more in there if we start popping off a little bit more. I'm gonna go look for him. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the link in here. All right, Twister, let me go see you, buddy. Are you there? Oh, there's JTJ. Hey, buddy. Twister, there you are. All right, Twister, I'm going to make you a member. All right, you're no. I'm going to hook you up. I'm going to message you. I'm going to go hang out with the missus because that's what a good hubby does before it gets too late. All right, you guys have a great night. Hopefully you guys had a good green night. I'm nice and green tonight. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.